Hello, I'm Kishore Raja. I'm the Vice President of Engineering at Boingo Wireless, and I really have a fun job to explore all the various technologies and figure out where Boingo should be headed from a technology perspective and execute those technologies within the company. Passpoint is something very near and dear to me. As you know, we've been working on Passpoint for many, many years now, and we were one of the first. In fact, I think we were the first company or a service provider to deploy Passpoint live in a venue in Chicago, O'Hare, back in September 2013. So since then, fast forward to 2019, Passpoint has gone through a lot of evolution, and there are four main features that Passpoint has, Wi-Fi Alliance has announced in Passpoint. Number one is a streamlined and simplified online sign-up. So basically, you have this common provisioning methodology for all the different devices using which you can download a Passpoint profile. In the past, it used to be that each device vendors had their own format and had their own process, so that's simplified now. And number two is adding venue information before you actually connect to a venue. One of the analogy I always use is when you walk into a restaurant, you want to understand what's the menu in the restaurant. So before you actually decide to go into the restaurant, you want to know what's served in that restaurant, right? Wouldn't you like to have the same thing from a venue perspective as well? You would like to know as a device to see what kind of services are available in the venue. Passpoint now has the opportunity to display those services beforehand, before the connection happens. The third one is improved security. With the addition of WPA3 and Wi-Fi Alliance, Passpoint now has that feature as part of the Passpoint release. And last but not the least is you can now add operator-specific policies. So basically, you can have terms and conditions displayed to the user and make the user accept those terms and conditions. So all of these features combined, we are really excelling and evolving Passpoint to a total carrier grade. One of the things that we do at Boingo is take the technology and drive it forward into market as soon as possible. This way we can open up for innovation, figure out the business cases, and hopefully find ways to monetize. That's exactly what we've done with Wi-Fi 6. So what happened was Cisco, Samsung, and Boingo got together in early part of 2019, and we have deployed Wi-Fi 6 at John Wayne Airport in Southern California. This network has been deployed as a commercial trial, so obviously it's not open to the public, but the network has been enabled for the airport IT staff, so they can connect to a Wi-Fi 6 network like they're connecting to any other network and basically continue working on the day-to-day operations. So it has been great successful for us. There's a lot of things that we are expecting to learn from this trial, and hopefully when Wi-Fi 6 becomes mainstream, our goal is to enable this commercially so all our users and operators can get access to it.